Good morning once again. I decided today to go live and share what I have with you. Thank you and sorry for that interruption as I was preparing to go live. Now, I'm somewhere. My friend's area decided to release this one, and I hope you are okay. I salute you all. Thank you and welcome. Now, let us look very quickly on what we expect on board, and I hope you enjoy. Number one, if you can start from weekly, which is the higher time frame, you may realize that maybe you have noted that the market has been going up. And this is also around from 2021. From 2021, market has been going up, and you wonder when is the market going to retrace. But there's maybe we are going to look this one into details and see how to take the least time possible. Now we usually use the MMM method, but that doesn't mean that you cannot apply the ICT and so on and so forth. But whichever works for you, you can apply it. No one, as a retail trader, who can perfectly tell you what market is doing, but we all try to look at the footprints and anticipate what is happening so that we can be able to at least to get some pips from the market. Now, this market, where we are now, as we have said, it's been going up. And if those who trade the MMM, you can see we have this one here, we have that one there, and then we have this one here. But now this one, when you are in a weekly, it's questionable because the year hasn't ended, so we don't know what will happen. But let's go to the lower time frame and see what we expect. I have these other videos. Maybe you have not watched some of the things. I'm not going to say them here, but if you go back to the videos that I have, this is my channel, and you can also subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I release a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Kindly watch them. They maybe you can give you one or two ideas, especially the last one I released, how to trade the ID50. Now on daily chart, good daily chart, you can see this market has been making higher high and higher low until even this one here did not break this higher low here, and you continue making higher high. See, and this one is something that we have been discussing. You know it from the market structure and so on and so forth until this particular area here where it had that higher low and then higher high, then higher low here, and then higher, lower higher here, and then broke the structure, this one here. Then this one on a daily chart, now this one signifies something else. We know very well when the market breaks structure on H1 and H4, we expecting the market to go back to where we have the MA50 and look for our entry there. But alternatively, what I want us to discuss today, if the MA50, for example, in daily chart, it's below, so there's no way that the market can go up and bounce above it or where it is, because already it is below the market. So you are supposed now to look at the last move that broke the structure, then expect the market to go back within that range. We can call this range. And then there's something happening here which I will not explain today. I'll give it maybe in the next video for you to understand. But I can touch it whereby we have this point here. And to explain this, let me go kindly to H4 so that you can understand it better. And I want you to note the difference here. This point here, there was a point here, the last point before the market dropped, because the market dropped with at least one solid candle. And then when the market was retracing, you could have expected that the market will bounce at this particular area, but did not. In fact, it broke that that structure here, or that point, that level, with just a single H4 candle, and then came to this particular area here. When it came to this area, it just took the liquidity slightly above. And if you look at those H4 candles now, no candle that between these two candles, no candle that closed above. They only went above a week with this one, drawn a week, and then came back in this particular area. There's a reason about that, and we shall discuss it next time. So how you can trade that one. Now, according to what we have said, this is the range that you're expecting the market to bounce. And if the market now break this level here, if the market break this level here, at that particular time now, we shall say we are going up. But it is as it for now, we have seen from the daily, broke this structure here, broke this low structure here, and there are some candles that closed below. If you have not watched my last video, kindly do, so that you can understand what I'm saying here. There are some candles that close below this area in H4. So what we are expecting now, this market to come back to where we have EMA 50 in H4 and then bounce from there. Remember that it has also broken this structure in H1, and then we expect the market to go up and then come back. But from daily, you can see now we are using daily. My reference is measured on a high time frame, which is more clearly than even lower time frame. So this one here was broken by daily, and then expected the market to come in this range. So it is within this range where the market is now, between this particular area. There 57 and around 70. I'm expecting to see a pattern there. But if this market decide otherwise to go up, what will I do? I'll just look at the market now from a lower time frame and see what is happening, maybe from H1. What is happening from H1? If you look at H1, the market broke this H1 structure here. After breaking this structure, it went above the structure and closed above with some few candles and came back to ID to EMA 50. This is where I said last time you were supposed to take an entry here. I was not allowed, so I did not take this entry, but it was a perfect entry. If you refer to my last video, you see that one clearly, and then you could have got all this move. And most of the time, this structure, the market gets back to EMA 50 after it have moved one level. So you can see you have one level, the other one, and the other one. So whichever the case, I'm expecting this market still to come back to around this particular area here for reset. If the market is bullish, this particular area here, it can decide to do that. Then if it obeys daily, it can come back for the second leg on Monday, because Monday is the first day of the week for manipulation. It's a day of manipulation. Then they can decide to go up. But if it bounce this one and then make new high, assume that the market come back to this particular here and then break this structure here and then form another structure where we shall maybe have the EMA 15 and make a bounce now in M15 where we shall have EMA 50 and bounce. I see a bounce there. Then definitely I shall buy and end up in that market. But it is hard for now from daily. I'm expecting this market at least to form a pattern within this area here, maybe something like this, or something of sort, and then the market does what, and the market move downward or sell. Alternatively, the market can decide at least to push higher and then from this one, but at least there will be an retracement. I will be looking at what happens when the market comes to EMA 50, and then if it breaks this one again, I'll be looking to what happens when the market bounces to where we have EMA 50 now in 15 minutes. Thank you very much. Have a nice time, and what I can just say, may God bless you for watching this video. Thank you. For those who have not joined my Telegram channel, I'll be posting it later on in the next video so that you can be able to follow. Thank you very much and have a nice day.